You can use MagicSchool to help you develop presentations. If you go to your teacher tools and search presentation, you'll find the presentation generator tool. Just make sure that you change the grade level, the number of slides, and then you have the ability to either paste something that you have already pre-made, but for the topic, standard, content, or objective, and then you can add some additional criteria. So maybe I want to just create a presentation where students will be able to develop successful study habits. And then I want the presentation to hit all different types of learning styles, so visual, auditory, etc. And I'm just going to click on generate down at the bottom. So MagicSchool will sort it out slide by slide, but the cool thing down at the bottom is that you can actually export it to slides, export to Google Slides, PowerPoint, or just to a doc. But if you do choose to do Google Slides, it is pretty simple, but keep in mind that if you change the template, you can kind of make it fancy right away. You can obviously incorporate different tools like Canva and really spice up your presentation. But MagicSchool also has the Adobe image creator. So if I go back and I search for Adobe, I'm going to find my image generator tool, which is just amazing. So if I scroll down, I can do text to image, or you can upload your own image. It's going to open up a window. If you scroll down to the bottom of that window, you have the ability to describe the image here. So maybe I just want to do students studying for an important exam. And you'll see that it does give you prompt suggestions. So maybe I just want to use something like this and go ahead and click generate. And you can see that I get a couple images here. Now I have the option to download the image and I can pop that into my presentation, whether I do it through slides, PowerPoint, or even something like Canva.